Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream Teachership. Friends, this YouTube channel is made for you who dream to be a teacher. So definitely channel को subscribe करी साइड रे थिबा बेल आइकन को निश्चय दबाई दियो so that सब लाइव एंड अपलोडेड क्लासेस अपलोडेड वीडियोस को फास्ट देखिबार सुजोग मिली परिबो. सो फ्रेंड्स आज रो टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन तमान को स्क्रीन रे that is Erikson psychosocial development. Right friends, so I will let करिवानी स्टार्ट करिबा आज रो इंपोर्टेंट सेशन को. लेट्स गो. सो फर्स्ट जानिबा एरिक होमबर्गर एरिक्सन जे कि 15 जून 1902 रु 12 मे 1994 भितरे तांकर टोटल डेवलपमेंटल वर्क करिथिले. जर्मन अमेरिकन डेवलपमेंटल साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड साइको एनालिस्ट known for his theory on psychological development of human beings, and he may be most famous for coining the phrase identity crisis. So the term identity crisis is coined by Erik Erikson. So let's move on. So the man born in society. This is the theory of Erikson. Man born in society develops, works and progress in society. Social development is very essential for proper adjustment in society. So social development is very important for everyone to adjust with the society, and social adjustment starts from early infancy. Just after birth, पूरा पिला बेलू after birth ही start हो जाए social development, social adjustment, right? So Erikson postulated that development of an individual is the result of his interaction with the social environment. So development is the result of the individual's interaction with the environment, social environment. So society is very important, and society plays a very important role in the development and progress of an individual starting from the early infancy till death. Okay, so Erikson divided the life of an individual into 8 different stages. What are the 8 different stages? Trust versus mistrust. So it will start from birth to 18 months. Then autonomy versus shame and doubt, 18 months to 3 years. Initiative versus guilty, 3 to 6 years. Industry versus inferiority, 6 to 12 years. Identity versus role confusion, 12 to 19 years. Then intimacy versus isolation, 20 to 45 years. Generativity versus stagnation, 45 to 65 years. And ego integrity versus despair, 65 years onwards. So first, in the first phase, birth to 18 months, the child do not trust everyone. So देखिबो child किछि स्पेसिफिक लोकंक पाखु जीवो जहाकु से सब बेले देखे जा ऊपर तार विश्वास अछि, फादर मदर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स लाइक दिस, राइट. तापर आसीबो ऑटोनोमी वर्सेस सेम एंड डाउट. इंडिपेंडेंस भी सिखिबो एंड डाउट सब जिंस रहइबो, बिकॉज़ चाली सिखिला बेले पड़ी जबार भय रहइबो, दौड़िला बेले पड़ी जबार भय रहइबो, राइट. सब जिंस रे सेम डाउट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट होबाकू चेष्टा. इनिशिएटिव वर्सेस गिल्टी. इनिशिएटिव नुआ नुआ नबाकू चेष्टा करिबो, निजे इंडिपेंडेंटली करिबाकू चेष्टा करिबो एंड किछि भूल हे गले गिल्टी फील हबो, राइट. नेक्स्ट ला इंडस्ट्री वर्सेस इंफेरियरिटी, जोटा लेटर चाइल्डहुड आमे कहि परिबा. इंडस्ट्री वर्सेस इंफेरियरिटी, निजर इंपोर्टेंस देखैबाकू चेष्टा आ निजे सब बेले भलो करिबाकू बहादुरी नबाकू चेष्टा करिबो, एंड जदि किछि भूल हला सेतरे इन्फेरियर फील करिबो. जदि क्लास रे टॉप न करि पारला ताहले ताकू inferior feel हबो जे मु काहे की करि पारलिनी. This type of thing will arise in his mind, his or her mind. Identity versus role confusion, the period of adolescence. निजर आइडेंटिटी बनेबाकू चेष्टा एंड निजर इंपोर्टेंस को बनेबाकू देखैबाकू चेष्टा रहइबा, आ ता सहित रोल कंफ्यूजन, कोन मोर रोल हबा कथा, कोन इंपोर्टेंस, केमती मु इंपोर्टेंस देखैबी. सो ए रिलेटेड इगोसेंट्रिक ए टाइम रे भी किछि मात्रा रे रहे. बट यस तापरे जदि जिबा इंटिमेसी वर्सेस आइसोलेशन. सो डेडिकेटेड रिलेशनशिप रे रहिबाकू, इंटिमेट हबा पई एंड सबुटु अधिका इंपोर्टेंस किछि लोकन को एंड फैमिली सहित कन्फाइंड हबा पई, फैमिली को टाइम दबार समय 20 to 45 years, right. देन आसिला generativity versus stagnation. Okay, so generativity सहित stagnation गोटे constant life आसीजिवो, flow of life constant रहिबो. And the next one is ego integrity versus despair. This is the last stage. And jodi kichi hope, no, despair means no hope, without any hope. Ego integrity, निजर ego टिके रहिबो, निजे लाइफ रे कौन सबू कली कौन न करी पारली ए सबू विषय रे एनालिसिस रहिबो. एंड डिस्पायर माने होप आउ किछि रहिबोनी. एंड चाहिबो एई टाइम रे गोटे इंडिविजुअल जे मु लाइफ रे एतिकी करछि, मोर इंपोर्टेंस को समस्ते बुझंतु जा पाई मु करिछि. सो ताकू जदि इजिली मु डायग्रामेटिक प्रेजेंटेशन द्वारा तुम मानकु देखेबी तो एठी स्टार्ट हो जाउछि फ्रेंड्स हमर ट्रस्ट वर्सेस मिसट्रस्ट इन्फेंसी पीरियड रे. ट्रस्ट वर्सेस मिसट्रस्ट. ओके, मिल्क फीडिंग एज ये. तापरे टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग जदि हमें कहबा, टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग स्टेज बोली कुआ जाए अर्ली चाइल्डहुड को, ऑटोनोमी वर्सेस सेम एंड डाउट को. देन प्री स्कूल इनिशिएटिव वर्सेस गिल्टी, एठी सब जिंस नुआ ऑब्जर्व करिवो एंड सेटू लर्न करिवो. स्कूल एज इंडस्ट्री वर्सेस इन्फेरियरिटी, इंडस्ट्री वर्सेस इन्फेरियरिटी जोटा को स्कूल एज बोली कहूचे. देन असला एडोलेसेंस पीरियड, पीयर ग्रुप रो इंपोर्टेंस बहुत अधिका, फ्रेंड्स मान कर इंपोर्टेंस बहुत अधिका. एडोलेसेंस आइडेंटिटी वर्सेस रोल कंफ्यूजन. देन असला जोटा मु कहूतली यंग एडल्टहुड, इंटिमेसी वर्सेस आइसोलेशन इन अ रिलेशनशिप, डेडिकेटेड रिलेशनशिप. एंड मिडिल एडल्टहुड जोटी की निजर फैमिली को एस्टाब्लिश करबा पाई अधिका समय. एंड मैच्योरिटी बा ईगो इंटीग्रिटी वर्सेस डिस्पायर, ये होची लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ. सो ताकू प्रति स्टेज को हमें जदि आउट के एनालाइज करबा तो ट्रस्ट वर्सेस मिसट्रस्ट हला बेबी विथ ए सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एंड इनसिक्योरिटी. जोटी सिक्योर सेठी की जीवा सेटा ताकू ट्रस्ट करबो, जोटी इनसिक्योरिटी अछि सेटा मिसट्रस्ट. सेवेंटी सेकंड स्टेज जदि देखिबा 18 मंथ्स टू 3 इयर्स अर्ली चाइल्डहुड, सेठी डेवलप मोटर एंड फिजिकल स्किल, लैंग्वेज एबिलिटी डेवलप करबो, नीड प्रॉपर सेफ्टी against risk involving in walking, running, pulling, handling different objects of each environment. Next stage is initiative versus guilty, जोठी की child ask question about each and everything. बहुत question करंती एई फेज रे children माने. Engage in planning and carrying out activities of various kind. His works should be guided, supervised and encouraged in this period of time, 3 to 6 years. Initiative versus guilty. So friends, very careful सब जिनसे observe करो. We have 25 important questions related with Erickson's theory at the end. Identity versus inferiority, 6 to 12 years. Child begins to attend to school. They compete with their peers, motivated to work harder and achieve more. They are motivated in this phase of life. Performance remains inferior. They begin to look down and develop a sense of inferiority. जदि performance कम हो गला, इनफेरियर हो गला, ताले से माने तळु को देखंती एंड इनफेरियरिटी तांको भितरे सेंस ऑफ इनफेरियरिटी फील हुए. आइडेंटिटी वर्सेस रोल कंफ्यूजन, ये हला एडोलेसेंस पीरियड 12 to 19 इयर्स. रिकॉग्नाइज एंड आइडेंटिफाइड एज एडल्ट्स, निजको एडल्ट हिसाब रे रिकॉग्निशन मिलु, राइट, एई टाइप रो माइंड भितरे आसे. एंड दे मस्ट बी असाइन्ड रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एई टाइम रे तांको रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दबा इंडिपेंडेंटली कलेक्टिवली करबा पाई, सो दैट से माने बेटर वे रे तांकर जो एनर्जी अछि गुड डायरेक्शन रे ताकू यूटिलाइज करि पारिबे. अदरवाइज मिसगाइड हे जिवे. सो रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी निहाती दबा पॉजिटिव रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. इंटिमेसी वर्सेस आइसोलेशन, क्लोज रिलेशनशिप, कमिटेड क्लोज रिलेशनशिप विथ वन अनदर. लाइकवाइज सेवेंथ स्टेज इज जनरेटिविटी वर्सेस स्टैग्नेशन, 45 to 65 years. मिडिल एडल्टहुड, प्रोफेशनल कैरियर रे बिजी रहंती, एस्टैब्लिश हिमसेल्फ and need to satisfy the need of generativity, a concern to establish and guide the next generation. तो निजर चिल्ड्रन मानक पाई, निजर घर पाई, निजर प्रोफेशनल कैरियर पाई टाइम दबार समय. लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ, ईगो इंटीग्रिटी वर्सेस डिस्पायर, सेंस ऑफ फुलफिलमेंट एंड सैटिस्फैक्शन, आइदर सैटिस्फाइड और डिससैटिस्फाइड. जहाँ करि पारले सेति पाई खुशी, जहाँ करि न पारले सेति पाई दुख. एंड समस्तंकटू भलो सुनिबार आशा. So these are the different stages of life. In which stage you are now, friends? Yes, stages of psycho-social development of Erik Erikson, proposed by Erik Erikson. In which stage you are now? Yes, teenager or young adulthood? Okay. Anyway, so either you are identity versus role confusion in this stage, adolescence period, or intimacy versus isolation period. Okay. let's move on. Industry versus inferiority has already passed because we have just passed our school life. So this is the detail. You can just concentrate on this page so you can easily learn everything. So first, infant to 18 months, trust versus mistrust. This one is hope. Here it is hope. Related with what? Hope. Virtue development is hope. Then autonomy versus semi-doubt, it is willpower, will. Then purpose, then competency, right? What is competency? Ability to do successfully, right? Then fidelity means faithfulness, exactness. Then love, care, wisdom. Let's move on to different questions. According to Erikson, successful resolution of the identity versus role conflict faced in adolescence leads to which of the following? So जो confusion हुए, conflict हुए adolescence period रे identity versus role confusion जहाँ को आमे कहूचे, okay, जोटा 19 years पर्यंत सही phase रे answer यारो कौन होगा? The ability of commit oneself. Okay, next question. According to Erikson, dash is the ability to fuse one's identity with someone else without fear you are going to lose yourself. So ये कौन friends? This is intimacy. And the phase is intimacy versus isolation, 20 to 45 years. Let's move on. According to Erikson, the psychological stage of trust versus mistrust occur in which stage? Definitely it is infancy. Trust versus mistrust, 0 to 18 months, from birth up to 18 months. Okay, trust versus mistrust. The main reason of individual difference is, so what is the main reason? All are the main reasons. D is right. Question number 5. A child with intelligent quotient 105 will be classified as, so definitely above average intelligence because 100 is average intelligence. Okay, life is divided into how many stages according to Erikson? Very easy. Athota stage, 8 different stages. 7. The word similar to adjustment is, so definitely it is what? Adaptation of environment. Question number 8. Which of the following is correct match? So the right answer is early childhood is autonomy versus semi-doubt. Autonomy versus semi-doubt. Up to 3 years. 18 months to 3 years. This is the second stage after trust versus mistrust. Okay, after what? Trust versus mistrust. This is the first stage, right? Trust versus mistrust, infancy, 0 to 18. And the next one is after 18. That means from what? From 18 to 3 years. It is early childhood. Autonomy versus semi-doubt. What stage it is? Initiative versus guilty. So it is 3 to 6. Next one, after autonomy versus semi-doubt. So it is stage 3 definitely. Stage 3. According to Erikson, what should Ram's teacher have done for work enjoyment and industry to result? So Ram's teacher here it is mentioned means Ram is a school going child. Okay, so school जाउथुबा child कथा आमे जदि कहूचे, industry versus inferiority आमे कहि परिबा. So the right answer will be D, A and C. Praise him for doing his best and encourage him to finish task. Both. Okay, school going child. According to Erikson, what is the event for stage Ram is in? So Ram is in which stage? School going child, I have already told you. So the right answer will be schooling. Next question. According to Erikson, how was Ram feeling as he entered the classroom late? ଯେତେବେଳେ लेट रे पहुंचबो तो डेफिनेटली स्टेज रे कोन होबो? इंडस्ट्री वर्सेस इंफेरियरिटी, राइट? 12 इयर्स हे पारे. एलिमेंटरी स्कूल जदि हेइथिबो चाइल्ड, देन इंडस्ट्री वर्सेस इंफेरियरिटी, इंफेरियर फील करिवो. इंडस्ट्रियस तो फील हबनी कारण से लेट रे पहुंची छि, सो इंफेरियर हबो. ओके, लेट्स गो. When Ram helps the other students in the class, what should the teacher have done according to Erikson? Ram is helping other students. Ram help करुछि अन्य student मानकु to solve a problem. ताले कौन हबो? Recognize Ram's industrious action. Because आमे को stage रे अछि industrious versus inferiority. Right. 12 to 19 years. 12 to 19 years. Okay. Or 6 to 12 years. It will be 6 to 12 years. 6 to 12 years taku ame kohuche kona? Yes friends, 6 to 12 years industrious versus inferiority. Industrious action. How did Erikson believed Ram's teacher should support him? Okay, so definitely by praise and through praise and encourage. Question number 15. During stage 5, the adolescence is fast recognize the onset of what? So stage 5 is what? Intimacy versus isolation. Intimacy versus isolation. So stage 5, it is identity versus role confusion. Identity versus role confusion. It is the adolescence period, right? In adolescence period, identity crisis is there, role confusion is also there, the most significant conflict of a person will face. So adolescence period is the most important phase of life. So all the above is right answer. D is right answer. Clear? Okay. Question number 16. At what time of time does Erikson stage industry versus inferiority? Industry versus inferiority definitely school age. It is the Ram's age, right? जो सब question हमें Ram related करुथिले. So it is Ram's age. According to Erikson's 8th stage of psychological development, during which age does the psychological stage of trust versus mistrust? Just a bit पूर्वरु करिथिले. Right answer B. Why is the internal working model IWM important in school? Internal working model, why it is important? It will influence the formation of peer relationship. It will influence the formation of relationship with teacher and other adults. Relationship between peers, teachers, adults will be modified. All the above is right answer. Erikson's theory can be described as which of the following? So definitely a very easy question. Psychosocial, right? Which of the following conflicts did Erikson believe arises during the preschool stage of development? So preschool stage is initiative versus guilty, because we are talking about preschool means 3 to 6. According to new education policy 2020 also, we will start education of a child from the age of 3, and 3 to 6 is initiative versus guilt. According to Erikson, which important event is associated with the early childhood stage of development? So the right answer is toilet training. Early childhood. Early childhood means 18 months to 3 years. I have told you at the beginning of this session, right? Okay friends, so it is 18 months to 3 years toilet training. So friends, जदि फर्स्ट टाइम पे चैनल रे देखता हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी कि साइड रे थिबा बेल आइकन को हिट करिवा को बोलिबानी. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन so that you will get all the notification of my live and uploaded videos, right? Question number 22. Okay, students who ask question in the classroom should be encouraged to continue asking questions. This is not related with the Erikson theory, but this one is very important from exam point of view. And friends, if you are searching for Piaget cognitive development, you can find it here, right? In this eye icon, Piaget cognitive development. And friends, if you are also looking for Vygotsky, you will get it here in the I button. Vygotsky social constructivist theory. Okay, question number 23. NUEPA is mainly concerned with. So it is educational planning. The full form is here, and it is E for education and P for planning. Okay. Next question, the name of Yaspal Committee Report 1993. Yaspal Committee Report is learning without burden, right? Okay. And father of psychoanalysis is, the right answer is Sigmund Freud. These are some of the most important MCQs related with Erikson psychosocial theory. And friends, thank you very much for watching. Definitely do not forget to subscribe and hit bell icon. लाइक कमेंट आउ शेयर करने को भूलिबनी फ्रेंड्स, मैक्सिमम रु मैक्सिमम फ्रेंड्स मानक सहित शेयर करिवो ए सेशन को. एंड हैव ए ग्रेट डे. निश्चय देखा आउ एक लाइव एंड अपलोडेड लाइव सेशन रे डेफिनेटली बहुत जल्दी मु लाइव सेशंस आनिबा को जाउची ऑन डिफरेंट थियोरीज ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड एवरीथिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेबस ऑफ सीटी बीएड जो माने भी 2021 पाई प्रिपेयर करूछ. डेफिनेटली तम मन को बहुत जल्दी न्यू लाइव सेशंस मोर चैनल ड्रीम टीचरशिप रे बहुत जल्दी आने को जाउची. सो डेफिनेटली थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग. थैंक्स अ लॉट. जय जगन्नाथ.